We're live.
Are we really? Are we really live, Jeannie? Okay. Can you hear me? All right. We've had so many technical difficulties lately, just difficulties in general. It's nice to finally get something. We're going to hope it goes right today. We don't want any drama because we've got too much to talk about. Okay, I showed you guys these new really cute tops from 3 Potato last week, so I thought I'd put one on so you can see really how cute they are, because I know that these butterfly tops, when you pull them off the hanger, look like massively large, but they're not. You're not going to look like you're wearing a circus tent. Look how cute they are. You like Jeannie? Yeah, even Jeannie had her doubts. She went with me when I bought them. I'm like, trust me, these are so cute on. So you've got to come check out our new tops. And they're so lightweight, you can wear them now. I mean, they're like wearing nothing, which is hot. It's going to be hot, so I don't think wearing nothing would improve when it's 100 degrees. Plus, I'd scare people. Yeah, no, nobody wants to see that. Ain't nobody wants to see that. No, 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 no. Okay, we've been busy getting ready for our event that we've organized with our neighbors. I told you about it a couple weeks ago. It's our Passport to Historic Guthrie. This is an event that we have put together. We have invited a handful of our neighbors to join us. We tried to pick people that we thought kind of overlapped a little bit with what we did and that you would like. Plus, I just can't wrangle more than this. I used to run our whole retailers thing, and I do not have the patience to. The more it just gets more and more crazy, and I don't have patience for that anymore, do I, Jeannie? No. We used to do so many things, and so many of the things that they're doing now, they're like, oh, look at this cool new idea. I'm like, did it. Even that new Red Brick Nights format, did it. Yeah, we organized a lot of stuff way back when. Yeah, people forgot that, we've been here for more than a minute. Been here a long time. But anyway, back to our event. We're so excited about it. It starts, in 2 Thursdays? Not this Thursday, but next Thursday, August 14th. It's Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, all day, 10 to 5. The stores that are joining us are the Bookshop, Novel Idea, cute place. Dahlia Home and Boutique, another cute place. They have kids stuff. That's hard to find. Heritage Collection. Heritage is one store that's been here longer than me. Linda's awesome. Her granddaughter's working with her now, and they have, Linda just finds all sorts of cool things. Meow and Mocha, the new cat cafe. Y'all got to go see that and get a drink, or maybe go pet the cats. The Mini Mill, Sherry, who does the fleece processing and spinning and sells some of her stuff. Sooner Quilts, great, one of the best quilt stores in the state, if not the best. Boutique 206. Laura, she's been friends forever. Kids are friends, but she's a cute boutique. She has really fun little things. The Art Center, our Art Center is back. And during the event, they're normally, doing stuff at night, but during the event, they have demonstrations and classes going on all day. So check out their Facebook page at least, or they may have a website with it, but they have got a whole list of scheduled things that you can do at the Art Center. They're doing everything. Really cool place. Locals, this is a relatively newer place downtown. A lot of these are, and they make stuff and sell stuff that you make. They just have a whole hodgepodge. Fun little store. Mouthful Confections. She has pulled together kind of a lot of your home bakers, home food makers, plus people who just make things and have just a whole array of different people in there. And it's a cool place. And, of course, us. So we're going to have Dando Trunk Show here for you with new pieces from Dando, including reflections and some of our newer pieces with cotton air. So it's going to be a good time. Like a yarn crawl, we're going to have the passports with everybody. And you go to each store, get it, sticker punched or whatever everybody decides to do. And you're going to win, be entered to win one of 4 gift baskets. I'd hope to show you those today, but we're still wrangling that. Hope to get it. We'll have it next week. We better have it next week. And I'll show you the gift baskets. They're going to be super nice. It's going to be like a $300 value. I think it actually is probably more than that. Really cool stuff. So please come join us. Jeannie will be glad to see you.
Will be gone.
Oh yeah, Jeannie's mentioned. Yeah, I won't be here. Yeah, no, don't you love the way I planned the event and then I'm out of here? It's not like that. This was the best time to do the event. We needed to do something in August. Unfortunately, that's the day I leave to take my son to Rochester. Can't change that. So it's okay. I've done my part though. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Usually my work's on the front end. Once it happens, Jeannie's got it from here. Jeannie and Lori will be here. So we're really excited about that. New product. I'm not done. Now we have new stuff to show you. I got a little carried away buying the little Matchbox cross-stitch kits, didn't I, Jeannie?
Yes.
Well,
but they're so cute.
They're so cute. We've been selling them like crazy. And one reason there's so many is we've added the Halloween and the Christmas. When we ordered them back, when we first saw them in March, it was just a little too early to be thinking about fall holidays. So we went ahead and got that. This is the part that cracks me up. We're supposed to get a free display. We didn't get one last time. But since we ordered enough, we got this display. I don't think they're going to fit, do you? I'm like, wow, nice piece of cardboard. Well, we'll use it. Just made me laugh. Oh, yeah, I guess we can send you a display now. I'm like, really? You have to order, what, 15 times more? We're going to the headbands now. We'll get there eventually. Keep going, keep going. Here they are, new headbands, new floral headbands.
How cute they
Aren't
are.
they pretty? And just because they're flowers doesn't mean they're for summer. I tried to buy some, fall colors too. Look at that. Oh, look at that brown. Then we have the blacks and the whites. They're just beautiful. These are hand embroidered. We love them. We were almost out. I think we were just down to the yellows, weren't we? So, yeah. And fresh ship. They take a while to get here, probably because somebody's busy embroidering them somewhere. Yeah. Not me. I like to embroider, but no. Some things you just want to buy done. Yeah, so beautiful new headbands. What else going on? Keely, a little crazy trying to get her kid shuffled out the house. What's wrong?
Is that it? I was trying to think if that was it. I don't remember what all you told me.
I think we'll have new stuff next week. I can't remember what's coming in. Oh, we get some new, I got some new stuff coming in. So I'll have some more new stuff to come in for you to show, and all those gift baskets for our event. So I do hope you can come. And otherwise, we'll be here. Bye.